Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 11 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2779, maximum beauty of an array after applying operation. So in this problem, you are given a zero indexed array nums and a non-negative integer k. In one operation, you can do the following thing. Use an index I that hasn't been chosen before from the range 0 to nums.length minus 1. Okay, and we have to replace that nums of I with any integer from the range nums of I minus k to nums of I plus k. Okay, so let's say your k value is equal to 2. Okay, and your nums of I, let's suppose the element is 2. Okay, so you can change it from the range nums of I minus k, that simply means 0. Okay, nums of I plus k, that simply means 4. Okay, so here from 0 to 4 you can change this element anywhere. Okay, so what is going to be the length of this one? So here it's, I can say simply length is 2k. Okay, 4 minus 0, 4, so 2k is going to the total length. Okay, so in this range I can change that particular number. Okay, so here the beauty of the array is the length of the longest subsequence consisting of equal elements. We have to turn the maximum possible beauty of the array nums after applying the operation any number of times, and note that you can apply the operation to each index only once. A subsequence of an array is a new array generated from the original array by deleting some elements, possibly none, without changing the order of the remaining elements. So here, since we are just returning the total length only, so we can actually sort this. Okay, so here let's say I pick this 6. Okay, I can change this 6 from the range 4 to 8. Okay, so here let's say I change it to 4. Then I pick this 2. I can change this 2 from 0 to 4 range, right? So let's say I change it to 4. Okay, and 1. Okay, max I can change it to 3, until 3 only. I'm not going to make it 4. Okay, in any case. So here, so for this see, this element is same, this element is same, this element is same, total 3 elements are same. Okay, so 3 is the maximum possible length that we can achieve. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, so here let's do one thing, 4 6 1 2. Okay, so here let's do the sorting first, 1 2 4 6. Okay, so after sorting, first we have to do the sorting. Okay, now I'm going to simply use the sliding window approach. Okay, so 2k. Okay, this is the range, right? So if any if in the range, okay, if in a particular range, let's say the end and the start element becomes greater than equal to, greater than 2k. Okay, and minus start, if it becomes greater than 2k, that simply means that in that range I can't get the same elements anywhere, right? So here let's say initially my start is here and my end is here. Okay, so now only one element. Okay, so let's move further. My e moves to next position. Okay, so let's say my e reaches here. So in this range we have two elements, 1 and 2. Okay, so max element in this range is 2 and small element is 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so 1 is greater than 4, no, 2k. Okay, I'm checking 2k, so 2k simply means 4. 1 is greater than 4, no. So in this range I can make all the elements as 1 1, right? Simply, or I can make all the elements as 2 2. Let's say I make it all the elements 2 2. So it is possible now. So what is the length of this range? The length of this range is 2. Okay, okay, then my e moves further. My e reaches here. So in this range I have elements 1 2 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is greater than 4, no, right? So we are good. So in this range also we can make all the elements as 2 to 2. Okay, we can make all the elements as 2 2. So here instead of 2, the length becomes 3. Okay, so this is possible. Now let's say I move further, my e moves to this position. Okay, so here you see in this range 1 2 4 6, the max element is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 is greater than 4. So in this range I can't make all the elements equal. Okay, so that is not possible, right? You can't make all the elements as possible. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to increment my start. So my start is going to reach to this position. Okay, so start minus end, 2 4 6, 2 4 6. So in this range 6 minus 2. Okay, largest element, smallest element, difference is 4. 4 is greater than 4, no, false. Okay, so in this range I can make all the elements as 4 4 4. Okay, this is possible, right? So after that my end is going to reach out of bound. Okay, and we are just going to simply return the max length, okay, that we have here, 3. Okay, now let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so here first we are doing the sorting, then calculating the length of nums array and the max beauty and start. Okay, taking it as 0. Then we are running one end loop, and here just we are going to run one while loop and calculate the difference. Okay, nums of end minus nums of start. If it is becomes greater than 2k, then only we are incrementing the start. Otherwise we are just checking the max beauty. Okay, as max beauty and minus start plus 1. Okay, length, and in the end we are just returning the max beauty. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n log n because we are doing the sorting. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.